In a world driven by video, one platform changed the way we watch, share, and create forever: YouTube. It all began in February 2005. Three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, had a simple idea: a place where anyone could upload and share videos online. The first video ever uploaded, Me at the Zoo, marked the start of a global phenomenon. YouTube grew faster than anyone imagined. Within a year, millions were watching videos daily, from funny clips and music videos to tutorials and vlogs. By 2006, it caught the attention of tech giant Google, which acquired it for $1.65 billion. It wasn't just about uploading videos. YouTube became a cultural hub. Viral videos captured the world's attention, trends were born, and ordinary people became stars overnight. Over time, YouTube evolved. Monetization programs turned hobbies into careers, mobile apps brought videos to our pockets, live streaming connected audiences in real time, and YouTube Shorts adapted to the era of bite-sized content. Today, YouTube isn't just entertainment, it's education, activism, and opportunity. Simple video of a man at the zoo to a platform with over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, YouTube has forever changed the way we connect, learn, and express ourselves. And the story is far from over. YouTube, where the world watches, shares, and creates.